Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install version 23H2 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Now if you see version 23H2 over here, you can download it and install it. In my case, I don't see version 23H2 over here, so I'm not able to get this update. In that case, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. So you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. So click on download now. Over here you will see download now option. So click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any pending update over here, it will show you the update. So click on accept and install and let the installation complete. Now if you see any error, to check if the computer is compatible with Windows 11 for Windows 11 or not, you can use this PC health check. So you can download PC health check over here. So click on it. You can, in this screen it will tell you to download PC health checkup. So you can run this file. Now once you run this file, you can check, and once this is done, you can refresh the page. If you see the refresh option, you can refresh it and let the download complete. So let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you can restart your computer and your Windows should be up to date. Now still you are unable to update your Windows 11 to version 23H2. In that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Now for this, you can go to the same website, and over here you can see media creation, create Windows 11 installation media. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install version 23H2 successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.